Hello, everyone. A good podcast mixer is a crucial part of any recording setup. Every podcaster should have one. From built-in effects and a variety of input options to ease of use and durability, there's a lot to consider. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. Rødecaster Pro 2. The Rødecaster Pro 2 is one of the few mixing consoles designed specifically for podcasting. It offers all the features of the original Rødecaster, plus the touchscreen and analog controls, with some serious upgrades and a smaller footprint. It offers 4 podcast mic inputs, 9 individually assignable channels, 6 broadcast quality faders, 3 virtual faders, a studio quality compressor, a noise gate, a high-pass filter, a de-esser, and a 3-band equalizer for each channel. 2 Zoom PodTrack P8. The Zoom PodTrack P8 is uniquely designed for large or growing podcasts. It offers 6 mic inputs and 2 simultaneous call-ins, allowing you to invite a total of 8 separate guests to your show. The PodTrack P8 also features a touchscreen, so you can do simple editing on the go. This includes splits, trimming, or adjusting audio without a DAW. The ZOOM PodTrack P8 has an audio interface mode, allowing you to live stream your podcast if you so choose. Keep in mind that this feature comes at a cost. This is one of the more expensive mixers on our list. The third Rodecaster, Duo Rodecaster Duo, often stands out in the portable podcast mixer market and is praised for its compact design that doesn't skimp on features. This mixer simplifies the technical requirements of podcast production with intuitive controls that are easy to navigate, making it ideal for podcasters of all skill levels. It offers a variety of connectivity options, including inputs for microphones, instruments, and wireless devices via USB-C and Bluetooth for simple plug-and-play operation compatible with both Mac and PC. 4. TASCAM Mixcast. 4. The TASCAM Mixcast. 4 is a great podcast mixer for beginners, as it's flexible enough to be used in a variety of applications. You can connect an XLR microphone to any of the 4 available inputs, and then use the Bluetooth connection to host a 5th call-in guest. You can also mix internal audio using the LCD touchscreen. This allows you to find and adjust audio settings, menu controls, and more. 5. Zoom PodTrack P4. While having a dedicated studio space is the obvious and ideal solution for podcast production for many, there are times when you need to travel to another location to record. Zoom is the reigning king of field recorders, and the Zoom PodTrack P4 is nearly perfect for this situation, as it can be powered by batteries, boasts 4 XLR inputs, and records to your laptop via a USB-C connection or directly to an SD card. I say nearly perfect because it doesn't offer the highest audio fidelity of 16-bit, 44.1 kHz, but for most users, it will be more than enough. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.